If you want to know how can you find random lives on Instagram the same way you might find them on TikTok or other social media apps, today in this video I'll show you how you might get them. So let's jump right into it. Now, we used to be able to go to IGTV and find the lives there very easily, but it's not the case now because IGTV does not work anymore and the servers do not work anymore. So what you can do is to open your Instagram app and then from here tap on the search icon in the bottom right there. Now from the search area in the top, go ahead and search for hashtag live. Now from here you might find people live because usually people who go live would use that hashtag in their posts or in their lives. Now that is first. You can also search for the category that you want to see the live in, let's say music, and then go to accounts. From here you might find people live by reading that live little icon right next to their profile picture. But you can definitely find the people that you follow when they go live right here next to the stories in the top of the screen. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.